Welcome back to Scallywag Channel. We got Marine Tech Matt and Mike here. And Matt, what's going on?
We are just living out the dog days of summer. We are starting classes next week, next Tuesday. So we are super excited for the new school year. We have, I think, 25 new students coming in, and about half that many returning students coming in. So we'll have 40 students starting. A couple more we're giving tours to this week. So we're expecting more or less a full boat this quarter. Tons of great stuff going on.
Lots of great stuff going on. We'll get our boat club rolling, all this fun stuff. Quick update though, we're bringing in new projects every fall and doing emails, and we got to get rid of a few. Space is tight.
Right.
So, what do we got here? Well, what do you think?
Beautiful, almost mint condition. It's a little donated inflatable here. Got this brand spanking new Lear little, is it 2.5 this thing?
2.5.
2.5 horsepower, perfect.
Let's stop and show them a quick clip of it running.
We'll give them a clip of it running, right?
Okay.
Just to prove that it's perfect.
Just start. All right, Matt, what do you think about the Lear outboard?
Okay, super sweet. They do not make them anymore, however, these propane outboards are awesome, and this one is brand spanking new, clean burning, propane, barely have to change your oil ever. I like it. Plus, for small little boats, super light, so super easy to transport, take off the transom, put in storage, what have you. Plus,
does it run? Does it pump water?
She runs. First pull.
Nice, well done.
So, I believe this is a sweet little engine, and we have the perfect vessel to accommodate.
Yeah, so it runs great.
It runs great.
And it's what, I didn't even check. It's 6 footer?
6 footer, yeah, I don't know.
6-ish. It's got slats in it so it can be rolled up.
We filled this with air like last April, March, and it is tight as a drum still. So
still tight.
She holds.
We have to put this, so if you're watching this from wherever, we have to put our 4 sailboats at a public auction on Craigslist. So this video is just, we want people to be able to look and see what they're bidding on. It'll be a 2-week process. There'll be all the details, if you want to bid, down in the show notes.
Right.
So, but it'll be somebody local probably. I can see this in the back of a pickup truck. Boom.
I was thinking like, back of the pickup truck, run out to the little lakes and, go hit the river, what have you. But perfect, easy little boat to get you going.
It does need oars. I don't know what happened to the oars. We don't have oars, but it's a package deal. So this is the first boat we're going to sell this fall.
Yep.
We've got a whole lineup of tech tips and tech training and fun stuff like that. So for those of you that follow for those little tidbits, we just need students to help film them, right? So those are going to start happening this month. We're selling another boat after this one. So in a month, we have the Carib that was donated.
Beautiful, is it a 50 on that thing? Yeah, 30 Honda.
30 Honda.
Runs like a champ. Currently has a slight leak in the pontoons.
Yep, we're gonna try and fix up the pontoon leaks. We'll buff it out. We'll do a full little video for that. And so you can't bid on that one yet, but we'll do a video, we'll get that one out.
It'll be coming.
And then, so are we going to do another boat project this year?
Of course we're going to do another boat project.
Season 4?
We can't help it.
Yeah.
So yes, we do. We're not going to tell you yet exactly what we have going.
We actually have a couple in the works.
We have a couple options.
Yeah.
But we do have a super fun one in particular in mind. And there will be, as usual, a number of boat projects here at the school, but it's going to be great. So
it is going to be great. It's a perfect for authentic learning for students. We can't say for sure because we're going to go look at it.
Right, we haven't committed.
We haven't committed. So there is nothing more expensive than a free boat, as we know.
Right.
Turns out we have experience. But I will drop a little teaser. You could drop. What kind of boat are we targeting?
Well, we're looking for a power boat. One we're looking at, just as like a hint, it will have a new engine going into it. That engine will be diesel. And it's in the 20 to 30 foot range. So you can drop a guess in the comments below.
That's right. Let us know what you think it might be. But we're looking for inside passage, islands, cruising boat. Not a offshore sailboat like we did. Mike's repower was great on the non-such, but this will be a different experience. So
absolutely.
So we're going to mix it up.
Keep watching.
Yeah.
Much more to come.
Great. Thanks. See ya.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high, and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.